Perfect. That's a pain in the ass. You see this captured stud? see what was really good.
Oh, you got it all off. Okay, were they Allen heads?
The clamps on. This is a stud with a nut. You have to put a wrench in here and turn this like a quarter, eighth of return at a time. It's okay.
Okay, so there's 4 right there.
What?
4, or are you just gonna do that one?
Just the one. And you have to get to this other one. Which is right up there. Which we can do it from the bottom, probably.
Oh, I got fiberglass in my eye.
There's a spider that's building or dead on my car. That's a little tiny nut.
Yeah, I think these are the same size. Okay, sneaky suspicion. I think this one's bigger. It doesn't fit.
You think it's the what size? Like the 12 or the 13 or whatever?
Yeah, we could try the 13. Would this step up and from a half and standard? Because that doesn't fit either. Or that, either way. 14, 15.
Oh, okay.
I don't know what you think your car would be. It's German, it should be fucking
It's
metric.
metric.
Those are Tony nuts.
Yeah.
Fucker. Yeah, I'd say 14, 15. Probably 15.
I'm looking.
Feels pretty girthy.
Here's 15.
It's kind of cold down here.
Yeah, it's concrete.
You don't got the heated floor, dog?
Nah, they can't afford it yet.
Well, that's a little loose. What is this?
15?
Yeah, probably 14.
Okay. Did you say 14 the whole time?
Yeah.
Wow.
I said 14 or 15. I didn't tell you exactly. We're learning. Man, it's really tight. You're gonna take out this like rubber mat shit, right?
The whole OEM sound that thing?
Yeah, the shit that's falling down.
Maybe.
The shit that's laying on your transmission.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's wrong with that? Do you need a beep?
Not. Fuck, kinda.
Okay.
Maybe no. Maybe short with the little extendo.
I'm looking.
Emphasis on the short extendo. This was like a nut, but it's kind of in like a little hole. The short one would probably be nice. I don't even know if I need the extendo.
Switch it up on me.
Yeah, I do that.
I wish I had better organized tools.
You have a toolbox. You just
Yeah.
need the fucking soccer holders.
Yeah, I know. 13.
Gang, 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 gang. Your transmission tunnel's tiny right there at the back. It really
14.
You're really next down.
Yeah, that's why you can't fit the drive shaft that Mason's trying to tell me about. For Chandler. 14.
It's a 14, brother.
About everything on this card is going to be either 10, 12, or 14, I think.
Or a half.
Or apparently half. Which seems really wrong. Here, I'll get the other one. That's any longer.
Okay, where'd you put that other nut? Put 'em right here.
Oh,
Yeah, they're not that tight.
this one was.
Oh, really?
This might have been a good thing just because I don't know how it's checking a lot of it.
Oh, yeah. Loosen it. I don't know how to put it back on the tripod. Alright. Do you think we just yoink her out now?
I don't know what else to do. You think it's moving, right?
I don't really want to just pick it up yet. Yeah.
Oh shit. No.
Was this on when you put it in? Yeah.
Sure, right?
Yeah, probably for the height. That's what I'm thinking.
Buddy.
What are you doing? Stop me in bake shoes.
Hey, those are my hiking shoes. Don't do all this camping gear.
Six. You put the wheels on?
Huh?
Put the wheels on.
What's it about?
Thought we took them off.
And we put them back on. I like your Rick and Morty socks.
Get down a little bit. That bitch closed.
You think?
Little jumps. Okay, okay, okay. Now I go underneath.
Yeah.
Okay. See,
Well-
I feel like a third person would be so helpful. Okay, 1 sec. Oh, 1 sec. Let me get some flashlights so I can see. Okay. Oh, fuck.
What?
That bitch is tight.
Yeah, it looks like it's kind of starting to bind up on this front one now.
Hey, no shit. I think I have to take these off, the bracket off, like I was saying.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
Oh!
Oh!
Fuck.
Oh!
Fuck.
Oh!
Fuck.
Oh!
Fuck.
That went down so fast. I barely touched it. You good?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay.
Oh, fuck.
What size? I don't know.
Let's see, I guess. I think I'm gonna get in there and I'm gonna just pick up.
Yeah. I don't know how else to do it. Ready? This is why people fuck up that cord support. Big D's.
Let me get on the ground now. I just don't know where to put my hands.
Yeah, don't chop them off. I'm out of voice clearance.
Fuck.
Do you want to trade?
I was just saying fucking general on that. And we can?
Yeah, let's trade.
So I mean,
Because I can pick that up
here's what I'm saying, like, so we're gonna have to lower that.
and go forward.
Yeah.
Because I think I can pick this up like here now.
It's not that heavy. I'm just nervous about that.
Maybe I can.
So we just lower it just barely.
Yeah.
Okay, to the left, like behind me, slowly, right?
What?
Oh yeah, it was going down. Just a little bit more. Back it up again. Okay. Okay.
Fuck you.
We gotta take a photo of it like you just killed it.
I could just fucking leave it right here.
Yeah. Take the trans, because then you take the transmission off and then you can put it on the engine.
There was a tire in the house.
Jumping jack. We can do all of it by hand.
Hercules. Territory. Lower?
So
Oh. What?
I'm home.
I don't know what to do.
Maybe another time.
I don't have another tire.
Fuck. This is definitely gonna roll to this side.
I don't think it's gonna stay on this bitch.
We need to get the oil pan in there.
Oh fuck. It's one of those. Fucking strong.
Okay, what if we shift it? Yeah. Yeah.
Tire's not big enough for you probably should have put like a blanket under that.
Next time.
Okay. Yee.
And it's 9:50.
You did it in an hour. Crazy.